Greetings, e-bike nerds. We meet again. Here is the final update on the bike. It is complete. Got the headlights going, the ferrite, the extra tank battery is on here. This is 20 amp hours, right? In addition to the 35 amp hours at the back. Got my saddlebags on it. Set everything up. Got my speaker system. There's the cockpit here. So got everything all set up. All right. Even got some turn signals. So I didn't put them on the front. I put them on the back where they really count. So I got turn signals. You can hear the click. And left, right, so people can see me and see what I'm doing if I'm turning at night, because even though I do the hand signs, you can't see the hand signs in the dark, right? But there she is. Now it's complete. I got her locked down at 48 miles an hour, so I don't like to go over 48 because I get death wobbles. Mainly because the fork, it's a regular e-bike fork. I'm going to be changing the fork out and going to get the triple crown soon. Right, so that's going to be the last upgrade that I do to the bike. Right, but everything, this thing is sweet, bro. Even got the the handguards and everything, so when I ride in colder weather and I got gloves on, this also cuts down the wind on my hands, so it lets the gloves do their job, right? I forgot to mention, I also upgraded the brakes all the way around, so I got hydraulic brakes in the front as well as in the rear. They're dual piston, they're 160 millimeter rotors. I mean, I wish I had 180s, but I got the 160s. It works. It stops pretty good. I mean, I'm not going any faster than 45 to 48 miles an hour anyway, so it's more than enough stopping power. But I gotta tell you, man, look at this thing. I freaking love it. I love it. It looks tough. It looks tough. Alright, folks. Well, that's the latest update. I guess I'll film another video once I decide to actually change out the front forks and I put the triple crowns on it, and then it'll be 100% done. But yeah, man, I am so freaking happy. I can't even tell you. Oh, I'm sorry, before I go, Jesus, I keep saying before I go, forgot one last thing. I even updated the kickstand. I put a dirt bike kickstand on here because the original e-bike kickstand was not strong enough to hold up the weight. This bike now weighs 180 pounds and the e-bike kickstand can only really hold up maybe 100. So I snapped the kickstand in half. So now I got a steel one, heavy duty, for like a dirt bike or pit bike or whatever you want to call them. Works fine. Bolted right on. Alright guys, that's it. I'm out. Until next time, e-bike nerds. Until next time.